Hello, welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to block a specific domain in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then go to the Chrome Web Store. Here, you can find extensions that let you block websites. In the search bar, type the name of a website blocking extension. You can use extensions like BlockSite or StayFocusd. Once you find a trusted extension, click on Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will install the extension, and it will appear in your toolbar. To configure the extension, click its icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Usually the icon is a puzzle piece, and your extension's icon will be next to it. Click the extension icon to open its settings. Now, you can add the domains you want to block. Type the website address in the block list. Some extensions also let you block a site directly while visiting it by clicking Block this site. This will prevent the site from opening in your browser. After adding the websites, your block list is active. You can always manage the list later from the extension settings if you want to add or remove sites. This is a simple way to block specific domains in Chrome using an extension. Thanks for watching.